Welcome back to my channel. Notice anything different? Yes? No? Maybe so? I got bangs. Okay, so today we are doing the Evil Queen. I'm gonna pull the bangs aside so y'all can actually see the look. Today we're doing the Evil Queen. And before we get into the video, I'm just gonna go ahead and apologize for going MIA. I know not everyone noticed because I had so many pre-filmed videos. Like the pre-filming was real. But as far as like Snapchat, Instagram, etc, I went MIA. I kind of had this moment where I was like, I've like lost motivation to be creative. And then I woke up this morning to a text from a friend of mine that was like, your Disney villain series is giving me life. And I went, oh, I'm gonna go film more. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Once I am done filming this, I have one Disney princess left. I know I said I had buku costumes planned, and I did. I really did. And then I just kind of went, okay. Like, no joke. That's pretty much what happened. I was planning on doing Pennywise. I was planning on doing Captain Spaulding on my husband to honor his death. Captain Spaulding, not my husband. But life happened. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Life happened. It's been an interesting few weeks, to say the least. But it's okay, because life happens. We get up, we move on. Because, excuse my language, as my best friend likes to tell me, mama didn't raise no bitch. So, I'm back and I'm not going anywhere. So enjoy the Evil Queen because Ursula is following. All right, I'm gonna go enjoy the video, guys. So, as with every single other Halloween video, or Disney villain video, I should say, because I've totally feel that life, and I have not really done any Halloween videos, but it's okay because I will have at least 2 up before. Yeah, okay. So, for Evil Queen, as you can see, this side is done. I still have to set my face, but I have my highlighter, I have my blush. My entire face is already contoured, so that's good. This side is pretty much done. The only thing I really need to do is add an inner corner highlight, but I'm holding off on that until I set my face. I wanted dark and blues because her color scheme is blue and black, and then she got the red lips, and I just really wanted to incorporate a lot of blue into this look, and I wanted a multi-dimensional blue. I didn't want just blue. No, there's a lot of blue in here, guys, and it took some serious planning. So we are gonna use Blue Blood. Ah, she's just so gorgeous. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna take a stupid fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Priceless. And what I'm gonna do is I'm literally just going to press that into my eye, all over the lid, give me kind of a safe base for color, because we are playing with color, as you can see. All right. Not using my Jeffree Star brushes because they're dirty and I haven't had time to clean them, and they have browns and reds, and you don't want browns and reds when you're playing with blues, okay? Okay. Now, for the actual crease shade, I'm going to go into the iconic Blue Blood. And I'm gonna really coat my brush in this, and then I'm gonna press it. And I'm gonna press it all over my crease. Don't worry, I'm gonna blend. I'm just really focusing on getting that pigment on there. Wipe off the excess, and then circular motions, I'm gonna blend. And once I get to the inner corner, I'm using windshield wiping motions because I don't want to blow out that inner corner too much. But I do want color there. I'm just gonna keep doing this because I want to make sure we are evenly done here with Blue Blood. Okay, now before I go into the actual like detail of my crease, I did add a little something extra up top. I went into the shade I'm Cold and I outlined Blue Blood. Just add a little more dimension here. You are gonna dip into Blue Blood a lot, so get comfortable with it. And I mean the shade. Well, I mean you're using the palette too, but you know. Okay. And then on a angled brush, I went into Blue Monday. I really just coated this brush, tapped off the excess, and I pressed that in on my crease. And then I went back in with my fluffy brush, back into Blue Blood, and I blended Blue Blood and Blue Monday together. And this is where the shades really started melting together and forming that nice pretty detailed crease that I wanted. And then I went back in to I'm Cold, tapped off the excess, and on the outer portion here for a little more ombre detail effect. And then I wiped the excess off of that fluffy brush, off of that angled brush, and then I went into Power, which is this nice matte blue-gray. And I focused that on my crease, basically on my lid, right under Blue Monday. And I really didn't even blend because I just wanted to deepen that crease. Now here's the fun part. I went into Undertaker, which is this just matte navy blue, deep navy blue. And I started at my outside corner and I brought it along my lash line. Like so. Kind of give me a little bit of a deeper, it's basically going to prepare us for a wing. And then I went back into Blue Monday using that same brush after I wiped it off, dusted off the excess, and kind of went over Power on the inner corner just to brighten up the inner corner, but I left the outer portion alone. And I didn't blend, like I literally left it just like that. Okay, for my lid, I went into Deceased. This look is actually really easy. It's just time consuming. And I started on the, let me figure out what color side that's on. Started patting on the outside corner right above where I put Undertaker, because I still want Undertaker to shine through. And then I brought it to my inner corner. Like so. All right, now here's where the fun starts. Spritz that same flat brush. And I went into Ocean Ice. Okay, and where I put Ocean Ice right above where I put Undertaker. Because again, I still want Undertaker to shine through, but I want to deepen that outer corner. Like so. It's just a stunning palette. Oh my god. Alright, so before I did my wing, I went in with my pencil brush that I currently need to wipe off. Boop, boop, boop. And like I said, get comfortable with blue blood, because blue blood's going on our lower lash line. And that is going to be our base color. And I definitely made sure to bring it up and connect it with my actual eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go into Undertaker using the same fluffy pencil brush, and I'm going to focus that just on the outer portion of my lower lash line. And then I dusted off my bake. I kept bake on for this because we're playing in blues. And Jeffree, I'm not even gonna lie, Jeffree Star has fallout. A lot of great brands have fallout, but with that fallout comes badass pigment. So, all right, so I'm gonna apply my wing. For my wing, I made sure to follow along my waterline like this. Lined up with my waterline. My waterline's here. And I put where I wanted the outside of my wing. So I'm gonna go ahead, apply my wing, and I'll be right back. All right, wing is on. I already have mascara on my other eye, but I'm gonna go ahead and, oh my god, I almost dropped blue blood. I almost had a heart attack. My heart just stopped, like legit stopped. I'm gonna pop on some Better Than Sex mascara, if I can, using my right hand. Alright. For blush, I'm using Flower Beauty Warm Hibiscus. If I can find my blush brush. There it is. And just tapping that in. And then, of course, because it only makes sense using blue blood, we're going to use a Jeffree Star Skin Frost Hypothermia for our highlight. I love it. I know I already have some on that side, but I want more. Get my nose. Dip my hand. Ugh. Stunning. Alright. Now, let's talk inner corner. I need a different pencil brush because that one's covered in blue. So for inner corner highlight, we are using this gorgeous white shade from the Blue Blood palette. And we're just gonna pop that in. It's white and it's frosty and it's okay, I'm done. All right, I'm gonna set my face if I can find my setting spray using some iconic London Prep Set and Glow water mist. Apply a nude and wear this out. Lip, by the way. Talking about a lip. Don't apply a nude selfie and send it off. I mean, you can. Who am I to judge you? Or you can be extra like me and you can go in with Poinsettia from Jeffree Star. And I hate metallics. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I hate metallics. Because what is the evil queen without a red lip? Anyone? Exactly, she's not the evil queen. Haha, I'm kind of living. Okay, I'm gonna go fix my hair and I will be right back to say goodbye. Well, I can't really do much with my bangs right now because it's not gonna show off the look. So we're gonna pretend they don't exist for a second. Actually, I can make them not exist for a second. Okay, perfect. So all that's left is Ursula. And yeah, all that's left is Ursula. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm nervous about Ursula because it's like one of the most iconic Disney villains there is. But I really do like this look. I feel like it is similar to Hades, but it's not Hades. Does that make sense? Oh, it made sense in my head. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying the Disney villain series. I really do. I'm sorry I went MIA. Like, I filmed everything but Evil Queen and Ursula, and I kind of just went for a few weeks. And it's just been... like, I had videos filmed and ready to edit all the way through, like, up to November, and I just had to film and edit Evil Queen and Ursula. And I don't know what happened, but my mind just went... shut down, deleted all of my footage, and I had some good footage, y'all. It was good, but it's okay. I'm back, and I'm living for this. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again soon.